everyone, my name is Ayesa Khatun. I am from Monteshwar, Purbo Bardhaman, and I have completed my graduation from Bankura Unnayani Institute of Engineering in the year of 2023. After my graduation, I did not get placed from my college. Then I decided to take a course from an IT academy, and I searched on Google and I got to know about Desun Academy. I visited their website and I saw their courses, and I liked their PHP Laravel development course, and also I am interested in backend development. So I registered for PHP Laravel development course and I started my training. In my training period, they helped me to clear my concept easily, and they taught every concept in detail, which was very helpful for me to learn everything, which was 3 months training and 3 months internship. After completing my course, I got placed here, and now I am doing a grateful job here. So thank you Desun Academy for giving me this grateful opportunity. Thank you.